Looking for a kitchen remodeler in Phoenix? Here's exactly why you should choose Phoenix Home Remodeling. You're going to get exactly what you want using our designer and being able to see 3D renderings of your finished project. You get to work with an experienced five-star local contractor that's going to help transform your kitchen into a functional and stylish space and be dependable for you based on your timing and budgeting with upfront final cost. Kitchen remodel services are not always about who comes up first when you begin your search for Phoenix Remodeling. It's about understanding all the details of your project. That way, we can make sure that it's something that is a good fit and is aligned with what you're wanting to invest in your project. You're actually able to get a rough estimate by signing up with one of our in home consultants to go over all the details of your project, understanding your construction goals, and then putting together that rough estimate to see if this is something that is a good fit for you. Of course, feel free to take a look at some of our reviews. We have over 200 plus five-star homeowner reviews, and all of them will tell you why they decided to use us for their kitchen remodel. We have reliable fixed pricing. We work very hard to stay on time and on budget. We provide transparent updates to what's happening through your construction phase. So how it all begins for you. First, you would schedule a call with our consultation manager. If between your conversation you guys decide it's a good fit, we'll get you scheduled for an in-home evaluation where we can take the exact measurements and make sure we're clear on the construction goals to provide you a written proposal. From there, you would enter our planning and design phase, which again allows us to properly display your construction goals, making sure all your materials are selected and accurate, and then providing an exact fixed price for construction. At that point, you sign your construction agreement and we get you scheduled for the actual construction phase where we keep everything all in-house. Here are just some of the areas that we obviously service, but definitely reach out and give us a call.